Yes, Australia's housing market is facing a serious issue. Recent data is showing that housing completions are falling short of target. Guess in the first quarter of 2024, only 41,300 new homes were completed, whereas in the past quarter, it was around 46,000. That's a steep 10% decline, 9.5 to be exact, and the slowest completion rate in the past 10 years. To meet the national goal of building 1.2 million new homes by 2029, Australia needs on an average about 60,000 new homes every quarter for the next 5 years. And currently, we are way short of that target. So what's the plan, There's an urgent call for action and it's getting louder and louder. Increased federal funding, state resources, and a strong resolve to reach that target is needed to boost the housing supply and release the pressure and reach the national goal. I'm not sure, but if you are really wanting to follow what's happening, tune into Infinity Financials. Call us up for a free consultation and we can keep you updated about what's happening and what are the changes which are happening in the market. How does it impact you? Thank you.